ketamine. So ketamine is an anesthetic. It is being utilized in the past in the 60s for PTSD. And it's a very interesting psychedelic aid in that it actually blocks NMDA receptors. Now, because of this effect, it actually creates a regeneration of neurons or neurogenesis, and it can really help to reset our autonomic nervous system's regulation of excitation and inhibition. In other words, giving us a better sense of calm and less likely to be revisiting past default mode networks into past trauma experiences. Very important, though, however, not to be used on a continual basis because it can cause neurodegeneration due to this impact on the NMDA receptors. So NMDA receptors, if they're heightened, can be really devastating, but if they're also not stimulated, can be further devastating to the brain and how it's been stimulated itself. So ketamine, it has potential benefits through helping depression, helping anxiety, and it's clinically been approved in the States right now through the guidance of a clinical psychologist, a psychiatrist, for the treatment of depression and anxiety as well. Very interesting with ketamine is that it actually helps to improve the activity experience of psilocybin and LSD and reducing the anxiety effects that either or may have in the application of their use. Contraindications, however, if anybody has any of the following: glaucoma, brain swelling, brain lesions or tumors, coronary artery disease, high blood pressure, or alcoholism, or any form of aneurysm, you really need to avoid the application of the use of ketamine. And obviously always utilize it under the due care of a professional. Never try to utilize it on your own. But it has a very useful impact, once again, in the utilization coincided with LSD. And this was actually documented by a guy named Stanislaw Grof back in the 60s. So for me, Justin McGuire, if you guys are struggling with anxiety and depression, or you've had post-traumatic stress in the past, there are people out there, professionals, that can actually help you along this journey and accessing it legally for your due care. So if you are looking for that, reach out to us. We'll put you in contact with them, because that's not us, but we'll put you into contact with them. And we can even help to redefine your internal environment to basically better cope and handle the effects of ketamine to a positive impact of your brain. Take care, guys, and stay optimized. Bye now.